This is 7-Eleven Devin, and well, today I've got something different. I'm not going to torture 7-Eleven and with one of their burgers. This time I did something different. I kind of did something the other day that I thought was kind of cool, and so I thought I would share it with you, right? So, what I've got here is a ribeye steak that I bought from J-Gourmet here in Thailand. And what you have to do, you have to put some salt on it, right? Okay. And then they say, you know, put some pepper on it. And you know me, it's got to be chili pepper. So I take and I rub that on there. Okay. Then I switch sides, okay? And I gotta switch hands because that's one's wet. All right. Then I put on a little bit of salt, okay? And I add some pepper over here, okay? Now, and then we put this on there, and it's good to let it set a little bit, but you don't normally have to, but I think it's good. And you know, my problem with onions, I'm gonna add some of those on top and you know, see if that's, you know, gonna cook up. You know, there's a lot of onions there. Okay, so then after you let the steak set, I would say 20 minutes, half an hour, let it soak into this stuff. Then you take and you put this on top. I don't know what it is. You know, it's plastic, but it doesn't melt in the microwave. I don't know. It's kind of like they can put, you know, astronauts on the moon. We don't know how they do that. But okay, so we put this on there and we put it in there for 2.5 minutes. Okay? And then when it comes out, we flip it and we do another 2 minutes, and the steak was pretty amazing. I mean, I was really surprised. I thought, wow, okay. I thought it was going to taste like, you know, rubber, you know, that kind of thing, like eating a tire. But it was really good. It was actually better than some of the other ways that I've cooked it. Okay, so let me do this and we'll be back. Well, it's going to be a few minutes, but to you it's going to be like in a second. Okay, 7-Eleven Devin making a microwave steak. We have cooked it for 2.5 minutes, and the plate is really hot. This thing right here, I don't know. It doesn't get hot. I don't know what it's made out of. You know, I think it's like a UFO type of thing. Why doesn't it melt in the microwave? It's plastic. No idea. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to flip this thing over. Okay? We're going to flip the steak. All right? And then we're going to cook it for another 2 minutes with his little hood on top, okay? So, 2 minutes, or in your case, 1 second. Well, hey, this is 7-Eleven Devin again, and I just finished cooking the last 2 minutes in the microwave using the little hood there. Which kind of traps in the heat. And then I got some onions on top, and of course I put salt and some chili peppers in there. And you know, you can do other things. You can put, like, you know, steak sauce or other things like that. Actually, here we have some garlic. Fried garlic. What was that? $2 a bag for this. stuff and you can put it on the top. Anyway, I'm gonna try this and see. This is really good, actually. Sorry, the knife is not real sharp, but you know, this second cook, I would have done it at 1.5 minutes. It's a little bit more cooked than I like, but that's really good. I like it. I buy these from J-Gourmet. I'll put the link down in the description. You can buy these 15 steaks for 2,000 baht, which is $60, but it's Thailand. Okay? All right.